Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. In yesterday's class, we have gone through what? How to find out non-terminating recurring decimal in the form of P by Q. Yes? I think you all gone through the video and you understood the concept, because I have seen the way you are sending the homeworks is very good. Okay, but one of the boy did small mistake, that is nothing but is not applying the equal to symbol. Okay, so just these are called silly mistakes, because once you start doing the silly mistakes, it is going to get habit. So what I am telling you, okay, not only that boy, many of them are like to do silly mistakes. Okay, so what to do means, after solving the problem, don't be excited and send immediately to me. I am observing, children. Actually my video is nearly 26 minutes to 30 minutes or 25 minutes sometimes, but I am getting the message immediately after sending the class for you. At 9:10 we are posting the class. At 9:20 or 9:25 I am getting the message that I have gone through your video. That means your concentration only on video, and that whether you are listening or not, I don't know that. But I ask you to go through properly and try to understand the concept at least twice or thrice, until unless you understand that concept. Okay. Maybe some more children are there, because if they listen one time, it will go into their mind. But I am not telling that, because all the children are very intelligent students. So according to me, no child is average, below average or more average. All are equal. Only the thing is, we will not do hard work. That's all. Once if we start doing the hard work, we are all equal to the first rankers. Okay. The only thing they will do hard work, we will not do. That is only the difference. Okay. So no below average, average children, above average. All, if you do hard work, all are equal. But we should do that one. So avoid silly mistakes. Okay. Or excitement that I finished, I have to send to my sir. Okay, it's very good. But in that, what you are doing? You are doing the silly mistakes and you are getting less marks. So why this all? So why can't you avoid all this? So once after, nothing will happen now. It is not an examination also. Not 3 hours time is you are giving and send immediately. No. You are giving the whole day. Go through it properly. Try to understand the concept and then send to me. Okay. Is it clear now? Okay. Now today we will go with the same exercise. That is exercise 1.3. Okay, exercise 1.3. Second question I gave you homework, right? Exercise 1.3, I gave you second one homework. But once I'll explain first sum. Okay, in second Roman. Already homework finished, don't copy, just only explanation. Because if any children want this explanation means, it will be very helpful for them. He has given that 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857 bar. Okay, 142857 bar. 0.142857. Okay. Now the question is asking us to find 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, like that. So I will give you one example how to find 2 by 7. Okay. How to find 2 by 7 means 2 into 1 by 7. That means 2 by 7 can be written as 2 into 1 by 7. And you all know that 1 by 7 value. 2 into 1 by 7 value how much? 0.142857 bar. Okay. Now multiply with 2. 2 sevens are 14. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 left. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 1 left. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, decimal point, 2 zeros are 0. Okay, listen once again, just recheck what is there in that. 2 sevens are 14, okay, 1 left. 2 fives are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 left. 2 eights are 16, 17, 1 left. 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, okay. 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0. And place a bar on this. So, this is the way of finding the 2 by 7. Similarly, you can find 3 by 7, 5 by 7, like that. Okay, 5 by 7 is there, means what? 5 into 1 by 7. So, 1 by 7 value, you know, we will apply that one. Is it clear now? So, I think doubt is clarified. Here, I am giving you a clue for doing solving the fifth question. Fifth question, just I am giving you a clue and not just only I am explaining how to do. Okay, that one you can take it as a homework. And fourth one also. Fourth one is you can know very well. Express 0.9999 and so on in the form of p by q. You all know. Express some number in the form of non-terminating recurring decimal in the form of p by q. So fourth one you can do it. Okay. Next, express 0.99. That one only as a homework I given, no? Now coming to fifth question is asking that what can be the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17. That means is asking 1 by 17 the maximum number of digits can be repeating block. That means here you will do division like this. Okay, so 17 zeros are 0, like this you are going to get, but it never ends with 0. Okay, it never ends with 0, but you may get some numbers. I am not telling the same numbers you will get, just simply I am telling you one example, this one only. You may get like this 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Again, after how many digits the same number is getting repeated, like that 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is asking number of digits, means how many digits you have to count, means after how many digits again the same number is repeating. So until unless then you have to do this sum. Okay, there is no other option. Okay, how to find out a number, means a fraction. How to find out a fraction in decimal form without doing the division, that is there in 10th class only. Okay, so you can learn there. Okay, that is, there is a shortcut, very easy shortcut that is. Okay, so you will learn in 10th standard chapter 1. But here the 17, 1 by 17 divide like this and see that up to at least, see that first by doing division you will get an idea. After how many digits again it was repeating. So that one you have to find out the number of digits. Okay, next. Coming to 6th and 7th, no need children, because those are like some examples of like that. So no need of 6th and 7th question at all. So 8th question now. Find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7. Okay, here the 8th question is 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Okay, is asking 3 different irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Is asking 3 irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Here what to do means, first we have to do division like this. Okay, you have to do division. So you will get one answer here. Okay, means as I told you, up to, okay, you may get doubt now. So up to where we have to do. If you are not getting the repeating, up to do at least 4 decimals. Up to 4 decimals you can do. Okay, up to 4 decimals you can do. Suppose you will get like this 0.1256, again so on, something number is given now. So we can stop here 0.1256, you can stop. Okay children, I am not telling that after doing division you will get the same answer. If it is repeating so on like that, or it is never ends with 0, okay, do one thing, just Up to 4 decimals you can do and you can stop. Nothing will happen. Okay. Similarly, 9 by 11 also, just up to 4 decimals you can do and stop. Okay. Suppose here I will tell you one idea. Like this you got the number, just simply 0.1375. Okay. Here what you got? 0.1256. 0.1256. Now what is the question is asking? Write any 3 irrational numbers. That means it is confirmed that these two are irrational numbers that never ends with 0. Okay. So you may get like this. Up to 4 decimals these two. You leave like that. Now 0.1256 for what? Division of 5 by 7. Just roughly. I am not telling it's a perfect answer for this. This is not the perfect answer for this. Roughly I am telling. If you divide, suppose you may got 0.1256. With 9 by 11 you did means you got 0.1375. Means these two are irrational numbers. Actually after division you got these two. Now he is asking the 3 between numbers in between these two. Is asking 3 numbers in between 0.1256 and 0.1375. That means you have to find 3 numbers here. Okay, suppose example 5 and 8 I gave. Just normally I am telling what are the between numbers means 6 and 7 you will write, right? 6 and 7. Similarly, is asking that these two are irrational numbers. Is asking 3 more irrational numbers between 0.1256 and 0.1375. So for that, no need worries at all. See children, roughly you can write just more than this number. You write one number, whichever number you like. Whichever number you like. So 0. I like suppose 1275. More than this, less than this. So one irrational number over. Next 0.1280. Okay. Understood? So 2 over. Next 0.1314. 14 or 11. Okay, 14. 0.1314. So it is less than this only, no? So these are the 3 irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. But not this is the answer. I am telling roughly. I am telling this is an example you can do in this way. But what we have to do, I will tell you. First we have to do 5 by 7 division like this and 9 by 11 like this. Then you find the 3 irrational numbers between these two answers. Whatever you get. Is it clear, children? Okay. So by this we end with exercise 1.3. Okay. Now we will go for laws of exponents. We will go for laws of exponents. That is not a chapter, children. This is the topic in this chapter only. In the chapter 1 only, it is the last topic. But 2 more topics are there. That is representation of means visualizing number on number line. Okay, visualizing number on the number line. That is very easy if you understand. But only thing is you have to maintain a proper scale. Okay, you have to maintain a proper scaling. So it is very important that one. So today we are going to discuss laws of exponents. Okay, so by that we can finish that laws of exponents topic. Okay, now you already learned in 8th standard. Yes or no? We will see the now laws. Okay, here I will give you laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. This one you have to note down in your CW. Okay, from here onwards. So laws of exponents. See children, first one, x power m into x power n equals to x power m plus n. So I will give you one example also for here, because already you know in 8th standard, but once again I am repeating it. So here 2 power 5 into 2 power 3. This is the question I have given. So it's looking like this, x power m into x power n. So how to write now? x power m plus n. That means we have to apply this law. So you can write that one as 2 power 5 plus 3. 2 power 5 plus 3. Okay. Okay. Now see here. 2 power 5 plus 3. So the answer is 2 power 8. That means by applying this law, we can do the sum like this. So just now I gave you one example basing on the first law. Next, x power m divided by x power n. X power m divided by x power n equals to x power m minus n. Okay, that means you can understand very easily. If both the bases are same and into symbol is there, we can add the powers. Okay, when both the bases are same, when division symbol is there, we can subtract the powers. Okay, see here example. 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 3. So, it can be written as 5 power 4 minus 3. It's nothing but 5 power 1. Okay. Next. X power m whole power n. X power m whole power m. X power m whole power n. Okay. So it's nothing but m, this is bracket means into. So m into n, mn. So you can write mn. Okay. That means we have to multiply these two powers. So here I am writing one example there for third law. 2 power 3 whole power 2. 2 power 3 whole power 2. That can be written as 2 power 3 2s are 6. That means why I am writing all this means when you are doing the problems, when you are solving the problems, where the sum required the which law, that law compulsory you have to write. Otherwise, minus marks you will get. Means half mark compulsory we will deduct. Otherwise, what we will fail means by seeing others' paper or as directly he wrote his own, like that we will fail. Which law means which law is applicable for the which sum, you have to write compulsory. Otherwise, you will not give marks. Next, fourth law. Okay, x by y whole power m. X by y whole power m. That means this m, okay, and this is a fraction x by y. That means this m belongs to both numerator as well as for the denominator. The power m belongs to for numerator for x, for denominator for y. So you can write like this. Okay, that means see the example here. 2 by 3 whole square. Like this the question is given. 2 by 3 whole square. So how it can be written as means this square belongs to numerator 2, that is 2 square, and this 2 belongs to even for 3. So 3 square. So 2 square means 4 and 3 square means 9. So you can simplify the sum like that. Next, fifth question, fifth law. xy whole power m. That means what is the difference you observed 4 and 5? xy whole power m. That means what? Here division and here it is into. Now this m belongs to both x and y. But in between x and y, what is the symbol you have? Into. Okay. So x power m into y whole power m. That means y power m. This xy whole power m means this m belongs to x into, and this m belongs to y also. So y power m. So here I am giving you one example. I'll give you one variable and one number, so you can understand very easily. 2x whole cube. That means this 3 belongs to 2. That means 2 cube into and x whole x cube. 2 cube means how much? 2 into 2 into 2, 8. X cube means x power 3. So the answer is 8x cube. So is it clear? The first one is x power m into x power n equals to x power m plus n. And write this example by watching this video. Second one, x power n divided by x power n equals to x power m minus n. The example is given here. And the third one, x power m whole power n equals to x power m into n or mn. Both are same. This is the example. Fourth one, x by y whole power m equals to x power m by y power m. That means this m belongs to both numerator and denominator. And this is the example basing on fourth. And xy whole power m equals to x power m into y power n. That means this m belongs to both x and as well as for y. So the example is here. Okay. Now you may get doubt. Sir, all 5 you have to write in order. No. Whatever the formulas you remembered, okay, you can write. But one thing I will tell you, still more 2 are there, 2 or 3 are there, loss. Daily, before starting this chapter or any chapter, always try to write that formulas, whatever it was given. One time, before starting the maths, once remember, write the formulas in rough notes or whatever it may be. So like that means you'll never forget the formulas in your life. Okay. Next. Next we will see with the other remaining laws. Okay children. Now see the sixth one here. X power minus n. X power minus n equals to 1 by x power n. That means try to understand that minus is there means you can write 1 by and x power n. See the example here. 2 power minus 5. So it can be written as 1 by 2 power 5. Okay. If you want you can simplify this also. 1 by 2 power 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So you can write 1 by 32. Next, x power minus 1. That means directly you can write as 1 by x. You may get doubt now, so what is the difference between these two? Here, 1 here more than 1 means like that, 2, 3 like that means you can use this formula. But only 1 is there, directly you can write like this. See here example, 2 power minus 1. So you can write answer 1 by 2. But whereas here you wrote 2 power 5, that again we simplified it. But here it's not like that, directly you can write answer. Now, the last one is x power 0. So anything power 0 is always, you all know that 1. Don't write 0. So anything power 0 is always 1. So the example, suppose I gave you like this, 1 by 2 whole power 0. Don't worry about the fraction or whatever it may be. So 1 by 2 power 0 is nothing but 1 only. Okay. Now you may get doubt. Now what sir, today we explained the laws of exponents of 8 exponents. What sir is going to give the homework. Okay. Now all of you take out your diary and note down the date 16/6/2021 Tuesday. Maths homework. Okay. Chapter 1. Exercise. Can you guess which exercise it is? It is the last exercise of this chapter. So you can finish up this one means we will go entirely the different model. In this 2 more exercises are there. We will go with those models. That is completely different from the different topic. Okay. So exercise 1.6 full exercise homework. You all know that means once if you know all these laws of exponents, you can do exercise 1.6 without my knowledge. Okay? Is it clear now? This is your homework for today. And notes, you have to write laws of exponents and all the laws including examples. Okay children? Have a nice day children.